Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about self-induction and self-inductance. So, what do you mean by self-induction? Before that, in the previous class, we already discussed electromagnetic induction. Suppose there is a coil which is connected to the battery. This is your positive terminal and this is negative terminal. And a variable resistor is connected in the circuit. Now, battery is connected in the circuit. So, the current is continuously changing in the coil. As a result of which the EMF will be induced in the same coil. Why? When the current is changing, then the magnetic field will also change. When the magnetic field changes, that means the magnetic lines of force will also change. As a result of which the induced EMF or there is an induced EMF in the same coil. That means when the current changes in one coil, then the induced EMF will be created in the same coil. This process is called self-induction. Clear? Remember, in the same coil. So, self-induction is only a process or the phenomena. According to Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, the magnetic flux, which is denoted by a symbol phi, is proportional to I, as discussed in the circuit. So phi is proportional to I. That means phi is equal to some constant. That constant is L. This is a constant of proportionality, which is called as a coefficient of self-induction, or simply it is called self-inductance. Now, mark the difference between your induction and inductance. Whenever we are discussing about induction, that means this is the process or phenomenon. And whenever we are discussing about your inductance means this is the constant of proportionality, which is also called as a coefficient of self-induction. Now, how can you define self-inductance? That means, how can you define L? From this relation, phi is equal to Li, or you can write down L is equal to phi divided by I. So, if unit current is passing through the circuit, unit current means if I is equal to 1 ampere, from this relation, I is equal to 1 ampere, then phi is equal to L. Now, from this relation, you can define self-inductance. So, self-inductance is equal to the numerically equal to the magnetic flux when the unit current is passing through the coil. Second, again according to your Faraday's laws of electricity or Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, we know EMF E is equal to minus d phi by dt. That means EMF is equal to negative of d by dt, means rate of change of magnetic flux. Now put the value of your phi from equation number 1. Phi is equal to Li. So you can write down E is equal to minus d by dt of Li. L is your constant, so you can take your outside. Or in other words, you can write down E is equal to minus L di divided by dt. Now from this relation, if di by dt, if di divided by dt, what is di by dt? This is your rate of change of current, is equal to 1 ampere per 1 second. That means this is equal to 1. Then you can write down E is equal to minus L, or if you consider only magnitude, then you can write down E is equal to L. Clear? Suppose this is equation number. Now from this formula, what is the conclusion? That means this is also self-inductance. Now self-inductance is equal to EMF when the rate of change of current is equal to 1 ampere per second. From the above relation, you can write down phi is equal to Li or phi is equal to L. If I is equal to 1 ampere. Now mark these two equations. From this relation, self-inductance is equal to magnetic flux when current is simple unit. In this case, same self-inductance is equal to EMF when the rate of change of current is equal to 1 ampere per second. So, in both ways, you can define self-inductance. Clear? Now, from this relation, E is equal to minus L di by dt, or you can write down from this relation, you can write down L is equal to E divided by di by dt. Now you can find out the unit of self-inductance. EMF is equal to 1 volt. Put the unit of each and every quantity. Current is your 1 ampere per time, 1 second. So 1 volt divided by 1 ampere per second, which is called as your so the SI unit of L means self-inductance is Henry. So this is all about your self-induction. Thank you.